If you're looking for a type of bread with a crust that's as soft as cotton, and when you bite into it, the combination of sausage and homemade bread dances on your tongue, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to make this very American-style sausage puff. Its appearance looks like a painting, so stay with me until the end of the video. The main secret to these delicious breads is properly activating the yeast. Mixing lukewarm water and sugar creates the perfect environment, so that our dough really comes to life. Always add the flour gradually because the quality of flours can differ from one another. We want a soft dough that feels as tender as an earlobe when you touch it, and kneading it with love is the most important spice in this dish. If you've been following my video up to this point, make sure to add flour gradually for a soft dough. Knead it well, then please subscribe and like for more. After our dough has rested well and doubled in size, it's time to wrap the sausages. I love this part because you can get creative and play with colors and combinations. Begin by carefully combining the fresh egg yolks with the milk in a medium bowl. Then whisk them together thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and well blended. The beautiful golden and shiny color that the rich egg yolk and creamy milk mixture gives to the soft bread is truly like a wonderful miracle. When you carefully put this delicious roll in the warm oven, the incredible smell of fresh homemade bread slowly fills the whole house. We wrap the dough around our sausage. To make delicious food, you always need to use creativity and put love into your work. Look at what a work of art it turned out to be. I am absolutely, completely in love with it. We let it rest. We wrap the dough around our sausage. To make delicious food, you always need to use creativity and put love into your work. Look at what a work of art it turned out to be. I'm in love with it. We let it rest. Add the milk to the egg yolk. We add the egg and put it in the oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. If you like, you can sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. My dear friend, thank you for staying with me until now. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want your kitchen friends to always have fresh bread, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. Also, hit the bell so you'll be the first to know. Wow. Excellent. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting video. Also, hit the bell so you'll be the first to know. Wow, that turned out great. Until the next video, goodbye.